Summer is here, and on today's episode, we are going to show you how to make a refreshing glass of infused water. There are many health benefits of infused water, including appetite control, hydration, immune defense, heartburn prevention, blood sugar regulation, and weight management. For the simple ingredients, we are going to use the following: water, cucumber, lime, mint, and dyes. Let's begin by dropping a layer of cucumbers inside the glass. Next, we are going to add a splash of water. Then we are going to add some ice, followed by slices of limes. Next, we are going to pinch out some mint leaves and add the layer in the glass. We're going to repeat the process and add another splash of water. We're going to set another layer and add more sliced cucumbers. Add more ice, another layer of limes, and finally, some more mint. And we are done. Enjoy!